Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the blade and plate. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Gather your tools. To start, you will need a few essential tools. Make sure to have a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a cleaning brush. Having a clean workspace will also make the process smoother. Step 2. Remove the base. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the machine. Carefully lift the base off, exposing the internal components. Step 3. Inspect the blade. Once the base is removed, focus on the blade. Check for any wear and tear or damage. If the blade is dull, it may need sharpening or replacement. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the condition of your machine. Step 4. Cleaning the internal components. Use a cleaning brush to clear away any residue inside the Thermomix. Pay special attention to the area around the blade and plate, as food particles can accumulate and affect performance. A clean machine is essential for effective operation. Step 5. Remove the blade and plate. To remove the blade, grasp it with pliers and gently twist it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, you may need to apply a bit more force. Once removed, inspect the plate for any cracks or damage. Step 6. Replacing the blade. If you need to replace the blade, ensure you have the correct replacement part. Install the new blade by aligning it with the base and twisting it clockwise until secure. If you don't have the tools or are unsure about the process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home for added convenience. Step 7. Reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully place the plate back into position. Ensure it fits snugly before reattaching the base. Use the Phillips screwdriver to secure all screws. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any operational issues. Step 8. Final checks. Once reassembled, plug the Thermomix back in and perform a test run. Check for any unusual noises or issues during operation. If there are problems, consider that we offer quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. By following these steps, you can successfully repair your Thermomix TM31, ensuring it remains a valuable tool in your kitchen. Don't forget, whether you're tackling this repair yourself or need assistance, we're here to help with no calls, no travel involved. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.